Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am so happy that it is starting to warm up. And y'all know I'm in California, SoCal. And it's like the weather just can never seem to make up its mind. Like one time it wants to rain, it wants to snow, it wants to be sunny. It's just like I think like the weather here, I don't know if she's going through like menopause or something, because it's like, make up your mind. But I think for now, I think we're good. I think it's going to be nice and warm for the most part. But it's nice and warm today. And yeah, your girl was fighting like a pig with this damn. Luckily, it's not thick. And I actually got this from Temu. A lot of you guys would be asking. Look, I ain't did no video for them, but I did get this from Temu, and I like it because it's not like, it's like almost like t-shirt material. It's not thick. But anyway, so listen. So I did not get. I was gonna say I didn't get a bonus. I got a bonus, but it's like I didn't get a bonus. You know what I mean? Like I need 15 rebates for $1, which is crazy because it's like it's just not gonna happen. Like it's just not gonna happen. Like my goal for today, y'all, is to get A, what's a money maker? Whatever's making you money, we're going for it. All right. B, what's free? We're only gonna do C, which is cheap stuff, if we can make some money overall. Okay, so that's kind of what the goal is. But if you're new here, hello. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and smash the subscribe button. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So listen, so a lot of you guys in my last one were asking about the binder though. I got this one from Amazon. In my description, I'll link it for you. 17, 18 bucks. I absolutely love it. And at first, I didn't think I was gonna like the handle or the strap, but I actually really do. So this is the other one that I got. I got it in red. I got it in red and black, which are two of my favorite colors. And so I grab them and I go. With this, you don't have to order extra sleeves. I ordered a pack of sleeves because I wasn't sure how many it was going to come with, but it comes with plenty, all right? So don't order extra sleeves. I actually sent mine back to Amazon. I'll link them in the description box for you guys. 17, 18 bucks. I'm using my Amazon or my Alexa balance for it. So this is a part of my supplies at the end of each month. And so what else did I want to add really quick about this? I absolutely love it. Okay, it has 4 pockets and it works, right? And so, and like this one, look, I still have extra sleeves in the back. So I'm saying, don't order extra sleeves. Don't order extra sleeves. You're not going to need extra sleeves. In fact, I'm thinking of taking my extra sleeves out of my binder so that it doesn't give it as much bulk. Today's the last day of Panera. So I'm going out with a bang, and I had 2 yesterday. And I'm probably going to go ahead and renew it. They offered me 50% off to renew it. I'm going to see what happens if I go in to cancel it and see if it'll give me a better deal. But I think I'm gonna renew it though, because I'm always at Walmart, so I might as well go over there and give me a lemonade charge while I'm at it, for the low. And so, and then again, my PayPal, my rebate money is paying for it, so it's like I'm not even really paying for it. And so, other than that, you guys, I'm gonna make this in. Well, it's already 3.5 minutes, so it's not really quick. But I will see you guys in the store for some awesome deals, so keep on watching. So this first deal is going to be on the Weathers original caramel popcorn. It's priced at $2.98. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. We're end up paying $5.96 out of pocket, but we're going to get back $4 for buying 2 on inbox dollars. Swagbucks, my points are ta-da. And then we're also going to get back 75 cents for each one on checkout 51, making them only 23 cents each. So this next deal is on the finished Quantum. It's priced at $5.18, which I'm pretty sure is more than it was last time we bought this. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $10.36 out of pocket, but we're gonna be getting back $5 on Ibotta for buying 2 of them. It's also $1.50 on coupons.com as well as Alexa as well, bringing that down to only a cost of $1.18 each. So this next deal is on the Muscle Milk. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this deal yet. I kind of low-key want to. They're priced at $22.16. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back $6 on Ibotta. There's also $6 back on Fetch Reward as well, and then there's also $1.15 Brand Club survey as well. So that's gonna bring us down to $8.91, which is definitely not bad. And so yeah, still on the fence with this one, but it's a great deal. So this next deal is on the U by Kotex. It is priced at $2.97 for both the 40 count as well as the 50 count. So for this, you're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. You're gonna use one of these $2 coupons right here from our inserts. And then that's gonna bring your total down to you paying $3.94, but you'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta, which is right there. I'm making them both free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. Now, I also have this spend 15, get back 3 as well. So I'm thinking if I grab 6, use 3 coupons, I'll get back $2 for 5 of them, plus that $3 for spending 15. I'm hoping it works out because it'll make all 6 boxes free plus a $1.18 moneymaker. Now, I also have this spend 30, get back $3.50 on Fetch Reward. Now, I haven't scanned all my receipts from CVS yet, so I'll scan those first and see if we can get back an extra $3.50, which will then make this a bigger moneymaker. And it'll actually make it even more worth it. So I'll let you guys know how that plays out. Alright, so this next deal is on the Axe Fine line. It's priced at $6.27. Now for this, it does exclude the use of a coupon for Ibotta. So what I plan to do is grab 3 of them, use 1 BOGO coupon, get back $3 for that third one on Ibotta, and then get back $2 for each on Fetch Reward. So to bring it down to about $3.54 for all 3 are $1.18 each, which I think is a pretty good price. And so yeah. Alright, so this deal here is on the regular Axe. It's priced at $5.78 for the sprays and $5.22 for the deodorant sticks. So I grabbed 5 of the sprays, 1 stick. I used 3 of the BOGO coupons, which did take off $5.78 times 3. I paid $16.78 out of pocket and got back $3 times 5 on Fetch, plus $1.50 for that stick, which basically makes all 6 products only 28 cents, which I thought was an awesome deal. All right, the Dove Advanced Care is priced at $6.27. Now they do have one that is priced at $5.97 at the very end. That's the one that I grabbed. Got back $2 on Ibotta, and then 770 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.08, making it only 89 cents. Next up is the Dove Men Care, priced at $6.27. Now for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. We'll be using this 4 off of 2 coupon from the Unilever, which scanned perfectly fine. Wound up paying $8.54 out of pocket, but getting back 615 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.46, plus $3 for each on Ibotta, making them only 4 cents each. Now the other option is to grab one of the Dove Men Care sticks at $6.27, one of the sprays at $6.82. You're going to use the same 4 off of 2 coupon from our Unilever. That'll bring your total down to paying $9.02 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $2.46 for one on Shopkick, $1.66 for the other on Shopkick, and then 3 for one and 1 for the other on Ibotta. So it'll basically bring them down to only 45 cents each. Last but not least is the Colgate Optic White Pro Series, priced at $10.46. You're going to grab 1, you'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta. We're also going to be getting back 2 different rebates on coupons.com. One is for $5 and one is for $1. And then I'm also going to submit for the same rebates on Alexa as well, making this a $4.54 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Look at all that black going on there. This actually worked out to be a lot better than I thought. So with the finish, I didn't submit on coupons.com. I went ahead and did Alexa and Shop Me Up, because on my second Shop Me Up, I had like 3 different offers for finish. And on my Alexa only had 1. So it made that a really, really sweet deal. The Colgate coupons.com, I had a 5 and a 1. And then on Alexa, a 5 and a 1 as well. So that was a sweet deal. With the Axe up here, I ended up grabbing 6 cans and 1 stick and used 3 BOGOs. That was a perfect deal, like literally. And it's crazy because that receipt, the total was the year I was born. Look, my total was 1977. I thought that was so cool. But that deal, so I did 5 sprays, 1 deodorant, 3 BOGOs, took off $5.78, and then I submitted on Fetch and got back $15 for the sprays, $1.50 for the stick. Kotex. So for this, I wasn't sure if I would get the spend 15 get back 3 on Ibotta. I did have to it didn't pick it up right away, so I had to scan one of the items and then it picked it up. So I got back 13 total for that. I went ahead and scanned all my receipts this week from CVS for the Kotex, and I did get back the extra 3,500 points for the Kotex, which is really, really cool on that. Thing happened today too. I was going to get the protein shake, you guys, but then I ended up just taking it off because I was just like, I don't really need it right now, because I still have half a canister left, so I didn't need it. So I figured maybe before the offer expires, maybe I'll grab it. So I took it off, and it actually still gave me credit for it on Fetch Reward, which is crazy. And so I got back an extra 6,000 points for that, which is weird, right? That's never happened. With the Axe, fine. What I did is I got 2 body washes and 1 stick. I used 1 BOGO coupon so that I could use the Ibotta rebate for the one I didn't use a coupon for. So I went in and changed the quantity to 1 from 3, and it still gave me credit anyway. So I don't know with Ibotta, y'all. I don't know. No, last time I used coupons, but it apparently restricted coupons. And then this time it still gave me credit for all 3 of them. So I still got back $9 on that. So everything you see here retails $122.55. This was $8.57 in sales tax. And then I had $33.61 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $88.94. All right. I got back $37 from Ibotta, $3 from Checkout 51. My points was $8.54. I went ahead and submitted on my points because I was closer to cashing out on that one. And then ShopMium was $5. Alexa was $7.50. Fetch Reward was a lot more because, like I said, I got back that extra 6,000 points. So what I'm doing for the points for Fetch is, I know Mr. Ohio was saying it was 70 cents basically to every 1,000 points. So I'm just basically just timesing the points by 70 cents. And so I got back a total of 33,356 in points. So it came out to be $23.35 from Fetch Reward. And then coupons.com was $6. Shopkick was $7. So we bring home a total of $97.39, which makes everything you see here free plus $8.45. And even after tax, it nets us at 12 cents for everything, which is free. Okay, let's just say that's free. Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it. Joji. Okay, what's your emoji bug?
Okay, it's an eye and a mouth.
An eye emoji and a mouth emoji?
Yeah.
But you just said face last time.
No, I said happy face last time.
Oh, that's true. So an eye emoji
and a mouth emoji.
And a mouth emoji. All right, guys, so you heard it. If you got to this point in the video, I'd love to see eye emojis and mouth emojis, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.